Tired of courses that teach you theory but leave you unable to build real-world systems? Join the 254-lesson program to build production systems that handle over 100 million requests. This is hands-on system design with real code and real impact. The problem is real. Most courses teach you diagrams, not deployment. They lead to tutorial hell, code that fails in production, zero-scale guidance, and difficulty landing senior roles. This course fixes that gap. The cost of staying in tutorial hell is losing out on promotions, opportunities, and higher salaries. Senior engineers earn 2 to 3 times more. Every month you delay is money and opportunity lost, while your peers pull further ahead. The solution is 254 lessons centered around building one production-grade system with zero theory fluff. You'll tackle daily hands-on tasks, work with an industry-standard stack like Kafka and Kubernetes, and get 6 major components, along with GitHub Access and Play workflow feature. This curriculum was built by engineers from top tech companies with real production experience building systems handling over 100 million requests per second. Join over 30,500 students and see why we maintain a 4.8-star average rating. You will build 6 major production components for your portfolio, including a local log processing pipeline, a real-time monitoring dashboard, and an ML log classification pipeline. These hands-on builds guarantee skills that get you hired. The capstone is a distributed log processing platform featuring millions of logs per second throughput, multi-tenancy, and 99.99% availability. You will implement the entire tech stack, including Kafka, Redis, and Kubernetes. Subscribe once and master 2 production systems. Course 1 covers Python and React. Plus, you get a bonus course on distributed log implementation using Java and Spring Boot, all included with the same subscription. Our methodology ensures you learn by doing. Each of the 254 daily tasks follows 5 steps: concept, implement, integrate, production, and reinforce. This structure avoids passive watching and builds a complete system over time. The curriculum is structured across 12 modules, spanning from log processing foundations to advanced topics like Raft, CRDTs, and observability. By the end, you'll have a complete production deployment ready. SystemDR is one platform providing everything you need: expert courses, ebooks, guides, and an active community of thousands of developers. Start free today at systemdrd.com. Start building production systems today. Visit sdcourse.substack.com or systemdrd.com. Start free and explore the site. Upgrade only when you see the value. There is zero risk. You can choose your path. The free tier offers risk-free access. Pro grants access to 5 courses and certificates for $39 a month. Pro Max, our best value at $99 a month, includes all courses, custom paths, and dedicated support. For Substack, you can start for $0. The monthly tier is $29. The annual tier is recommended at $299, offering a discount. And the lifetime option is $459.99, providing forever access to all future content. Hear from real engineers. Marcus went from failing interviews to clearing FAANG rounds in 3 months. Priya's ML classifier got her a new role. The structured approach simplifies distributed systems mastery for everyone. When you subscribe today, you double the value. Get a bonus course on distributed log implementation with Java and Spring Boot. You also receive a free ebook, full GitHub access to all projects, and access to the course portal, along with Play workflow feature where you can choose an animation and use the side panel to control display, colors, fonts, sizing, and playback. Join the SystemDR community and get production-ready skills for modern developers. Choose between the Substack course at sdcourse.substack.com or the main platform at systemdrd.com. Start free today.